For latest Bollywood gossips, subscribe to our channel. To get our videos, first hit the bell icon and get notified for every video. Salman Khan's bodyguard Shera is just like his shadow, and wherever we see Salman, Shera is quite close behind. In fact, we even saw him stay put in Jodhpur during the hearing of the black buck poaching case, and he returned to Mumbai only when Salman came out on bail. Speaking about Salman and his working style, Shera said, "Salman bhai always tells me to make sure that kids, women and old people don't get pushed in the crowd. He cares about them the most. Actually, his fans are such that they wish to touch him, whether kids, girls, guys or older people. I have never seen this with other stars." Well, so now hearing what Shera says about Salman Khan, once again we have ample proof of his stardom. We once again have an ample proof of his stardom, don't we? Everyone remembers that Salman Khan and Aishwarya Rai were a hot couple during the making of Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam, and the two never kept their relationship under the wraps. But then things went haywire, and the two parted ways on a very bitter note. Still, fans of the two are still pining to see them together. And for such fans, we have a throwback interview of Aishwarya Rai, who was asked by Simi Garewal about who she thought is the sexiest and most gorgeous man, which initially Aish coyly tried to avoid. But then she gave in and said that it was Salman Khan. Well, years later, we wonder if she still feels the same. What do you think? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. Arjun Kapoor and Salman Khan shared a very cordial relationship with each other. But then, Salman seemed to be quite miffed with Arjun owing to the rumors of his affair with Malaika Arora. After bitterness crept in, Arjun preferred to stay away from Salman. But then the Black Buck case changed it all. Apparently, on hearing about Salman being sentenced to jail, Arjun immediately called up Salman's sisters Arpita and Alvira, who were stationed in Jodhpur itself. He asked about Salman's well-being and also expressed his concern for the family. But it seems that this gesture of Arjun has not been acknowledged by the Bhaijan of B-Town, and he still continues to ignore Arjun as always. So what do you have to say about this? Do let us know by commenting in the section below.
Really disturbing to see something like that happen, and for people to watch it and not do anything about it. I think it's a cowardly act. Those people have no right to call themselves men. I have only one question. If something like that happened, God forbid, to someone in your family, would you stand and watch or would you help? That's my only question. And I think these things are allowed to happen, and people stand there and they watch these things happen and they're fine with it because they think it's absolutely fine for something like that to happen to a girl just because she's wearing short clothes. It's her life, it's her decision, it's her choice. For men to accept that it's an opportunity for us to do something like this and get away with it, and people in power trying to defend it, it's absolutely horrible. I think as a society, the fact that these things are in certain people's heads acceptable to a certain degree, it's disturbing and it's shocking, and I'm ashamed to be a part of that society. I think we need to change our thinking. We need to treat men and women in the same way, be respectful, and treat women with some compassion. And as I said, put yourself in that situation and think, how would we feel about it? Jai Hind.
Salman Khan is indeed a benevolent human being, and his venture, being human, is striving to save more and more lives. Recently, Salman Khan's foundation, Being Human, started a new initiative, Little Hearts, which is involved in providing free treatment to children suffering from heart disorders. This venture is in collaboration with Fortis Hospital and is receiving support from all over the country. More than 50 children have availed this treatment and quite a few lives have been saved. Speaking about this, actress Dia Mirza quipped that Salman Khan is the man who saved her mother's life and she will never forget that. Now, it was really amazing that Dia has openly confessed and acknowledged Salman Khan's role in her life, And like her, we know that there'll be many more who would revere the Bhaijan of Bollywood. So what do you have to say about this? Do let us know by commenting in the section below.
So being a actress, being a Bollywood, आप बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री से जुड़ी हैं, टीवी से भी जुड़ी हैं स्टार्टिंग से. हाउ मच डू यू फील व्हाट कपिल हैड डिड विद द टीवी एडिटर? कितना गलत लगता है एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग अब्यूज लैंग्वेज में बात करना?
I'm sorry, I don't know what you're talking about.
He's talking about Kapil Sharma.
I'm not aware of what has happened. I can't comment if I don't know what has happened. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm sorry, I don't know what you're talking about.
He's talking about Kapil Sharma.
I'm not aware of what has happened. I can't comment if I don't know what has happened. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So being a actress, being a Bollywood, आप बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री से जुड़ी हैं, टीवी से भी जुड़ी हैं स्टार्टिंग से.
The trauma of being behind bars is too much for anyone to handle, and the scars would be there for a very long time. But not for Salman Khan, who returned to Mumbai after getting bail. The moment he landed in Mumbai, he headed straight to his Galaxy apartment, where he assured his parents that he was alright. He also stood at his balcony and waved to his fans, waiting to catch a glimpse of his. And the very next day, he was spotted at the annual function of a school for specially abled kids. Salman paid them a surprise visit and spent quite some time with the kids. Here, he forgot all the happenings of the past and enjoyed ice cream with the kids. Later, he even donated 1 crore to the school, and this shows that he still has the positivity and strength to move on. Now, isn't this a sign of a true sultan? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. The days following the verdict of the black buck hunting case were dark and gloomy. But finally, 48 hours after the verdict was pronounced, Salman Khan was granted bail. This news came as a huge relief for everyone. But before the bail was granted, everyone was praying and hoping that Salman would emerge a free man. And in the wake of the frenzy, some miscreants created a fake Twitter account of a leading channel and spread the news that Vivek Oberoi had offered 1 crore at the Siddhivinayak temple after hearing of Salman Khan being in jail. The handle also posted some pictures of this incident. Now looking at this, people began to troll Vivek for his insensitivity, and finally Vivek had to clear the air that this was all a baseless rumor and the pics being circulated were quite old and were being misused. Speaking of Salman Khan getting bail, Vivek said that he did not wish to make any statement as the media would misquote him and milk on the situation, and he did not wish to provide food for any rumors. He ordered the media not to link his name to any such thing. Now what do you have to say about Vivek's stand? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. A jail experience is not easy to forget for anyone. And when we are talking about a person of Salman Khan's status, then the issue is even more intense. What with the media getting hooked onto the case, rumors being spread, and a distraught family to worry about. And then of course, living without the infinite luxuries which are a part of his life. Well, all this should have made him bitter, but not Salman Khan. The Dabangg Khan was up and about as usual after returning to Mumbai. In fact, a charitable foundation helping others also thanked Salman Khan and his Being Human Foundation for donating 1 lakh for the critical care of a patient, Lalita Vishwakarma. Now this move has indeed left us speechless and impressed. What about you? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. When the verdict for the Black Buck case was supposed to be announced, Salman Khan was asked to be present in court on 5th April. He was accompanied by his sisters Arpita and Alvira, who stood by his side throughout this charade. In fact, Salman's bodyguard Shera too did not leave Jodhpur until Salman got bail, and he ensured that he returned back to Mumbai only when the bhai was out a free man. But surprisingly, Salman's brothers Arbaz and Sohail Khan were not to be seen anywhere. But people who visited Salman's Galaxy apartment said that Arbaz and Sohail were both present in the house, giving moral support to their parents. Well, so now we know why the two brothers were missing. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates on this hot story and keep sharing your comments with us in the section below.